Northwest Ballet Center family, welcome back to another video. For today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to explain a game that you at home can play together. This is a nice and simple game. It's similar to one that I use in a lot of my pre-ballet Ballet 1 classes. I'm adding a little bit of a twist. So today's video is a Wednesday video, so it's geared towards ages 3 to 5/6. But again, anyone can play. It's a lot of fun, and it's nice and simple, so you can incorporate non-dancers as well. This game is called Animal Freeze Dance. And how it works is on the screen I will pop up the name of an animal and a picture, just for those who can't read yet, and it's your job to dance and act like that animal in any way you think it would. So there's no right or wrong answer. It's whatever you think that animal sounds like, how it dances like, how it moves like. You do whatever you think. So while the music is going on, you are being the animal that's displayed on the screen. Once the music is off, it's your job to freeze and try to pose in any position and not move until the music comes back on again. And once the music comes back on, you get to dance around just like the animal on the screen again. There will be 5 different animals I will be displaying. The songs might change as well. So your job is to dance when you see an animal on the screen and freeze when there's no music. So make sure you have space. Everyone who's going to play is ready, and we're going to start Animal Freeze Dance. Monkey. Freeze. Freeze. Dog. Freeze. Freeze. Lion. Freeze. Freeze. bunny. Freeze! Freeze! Chicken.
I know the earth will lose a fight just to see a smile, 'cause you got no flaws, no flaws. I'm not trying to be your part-time lover. Sign me up for them full-time, I'm yours.
Freeze!
On yours. Man gotta do to be totally locked up by you. What a man gotta say, what a man gotta pray to be your last good night and your first good day. So what a man gotta do, what a man gotta do to be totally.
I hope you guys had fun playing Animal Freeze Dance. You can continue this game in any style and fashion you want. You can change animals to colors and other things around the house to make it more fun for you, or you can continue Animal Freeze Dance with different animals. I will see you in next week's Wednesday video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.